Okay, so for our trends handout worksheet, we decided to use Plotly for our presentation. Specifically, within Plotly, we'll be discussing interactive sports analytics dashboards, and this will be presented by myself and Jake Larson. So what Plotly is a Python library that's really used to take data and craft interactive charts, dashboards, and then really what its main point is to make complex data easier to explore, visualize, and comprehend. So the purpose of Plotly within baseball analytics, specifically here, what we decided to do was take the top 20 hitters from the 2024 MLB season, and some of the areas we decided to look into within this, which a lot of major league organizations look into, were to visualize key metrics like hard hit percentage and OPS. And OPS is on base plus slugging percentage, which in today's day and age of baseball is practically everything and what you're judged upon. So what Plotly does for baseball analytics is it enables real-time interactive data exploration. Um, it improves player evaluation and strategy, and then it turns raw stats into accomplishable and actionable insights. So Plotly excels in gather and analyze data, export results, static charts, send visuals to design or development teams for dashboards, and then Plotly development process, gather and analyze data from within Python, build interactive visuals directly in Plotly, and then instantly share or embed live dashboards. So here's the demonstration. So we pull up the code that me and Jake crafted up. So we look at importing Dash, import Plotly, Pandas, py.baseball, and then web browser, so that when we run this, it imports directly to that web browser, and we can start to see some of those visuals and statistics right away. So we're looking at 2024 MLB batting statistics, name, team, games, plate appearances, a bunch of other major statistical things that we're going to look at. So pretty much what this will do is gather all that data, put it into a kind of text file, and then import that to the web browser, allowing us to see graphically what this would look like from within Plotly. So we'll run this. So as you can see here, we have a drop-down menu, so top 20 MLB hitters in 2024. So we can select metrics such as average, on-base percentage, slugging, so we can compare the league's best hitters. Colleges can use this type of stuff all the time to kind of look at what a specific player is doing differently from one another, or you can use it to compare two players, which is a lot of what major league and minor league organizations do nowadays, specifically from the draft standpoint. But here we have like Aaron Judge, and it has the teams on the right side here, names on the bottom, and then just the raw statistical data for the top hitters of 2024. Go back to the presentation here. So just in closing, really to kind of review Plotly, is taking raw statistical data and then putting it into graphs so we can statistically analyze and visually like conceptualize what these stats mean to not only help our players improve, but to compare and analyze player success. Thank you.